To understand the future of human vitality, we must first look to the scales that define our existence. From the cosmos to our planet. Everything converges within the human form, a masterpiece of biological engineering. But the real secret to our vitality isn't found on the surface. It's hidden in the microscopic architecture of our cells. Within each cell, a complex dance of communication is happening every second, driving our health and longevity. This is the frontier of genomic dynamics, the spatiotemporal code that we are only now beginning to see. I am the AI for Dr. Zuleta. He personally writes every script to ensure we're expanding human vitality together through a deep understanding of these scientific breakthroughs. Recently published in Nature Reviews Genetics, a groundbreaking study has mapped the complex landscape of our genome with unprecedented clarity. Scientists found that the 3D architecture and dynamics of the genome are crucial for regulating gene stability, transcription, and cellular function. The researchers discovered that for decades we knew the linear sequence of DNA, but remained blind to the real-time communication between distant genomic loci. The challenge has been the diffraction limit, the physical barrier that made it impossible to see these interactions at the scale they actually happen. The researchers developed a systematic workflow to select specific cell types and genomic loci for study. The choice of labeling and delivery is critical, ensuring indicators provide a high signal ratio without disrupting the cell state.
Advanced data analysis then reconstructs the 3D trajectories of our genes, revealing life in motion.
By breaking the diffraction limit, researchers achieved a spatial resolution of just 50 nanometers. This superlocalization allows researchers to track individual molecules within a genomic hub, rather than just seeing a blurry cloud of activity. The discovery also spends time tracking local diffusion that occurs in just milliseconds. We can now observe processes like transcription that unfold over hours or even days. And for the first time, scientists can map cell differentiation as it shifts over several weeks. The study utilized biological tools that act as high-resolution labels, marking specific sequences with light. The DCS9 Sundax system amplifies fluorescence signals, enabling long-term tracking without bleaching. Nanobody arrays further refine this precision, allowing for surgical labeling of gene loci in living cells. By comparing dozens of methods, researchers identified the most stable ways to visualize different genomic structures. This discovery is critical for epigenetics, understanding how environmental signals cause markers to switch our genes on or off. Researchers can now see how these markers influence chromatin looping, physically bringing enhancers to promoters to activate our vital code. The primary challenge remains the sheer complexity of these systems, observing life in motion without disrupting its natural state. Scientists believe this research opens the door to targeted treatments. By seeing where communication fails, we can address disease at its source. We are moving toward precision interventions that respect the unique 3D architecture of your own genomic code. The ultimate potential lies in the digital twin, a data-driven reflection of your biological state updated in real time. This tool could allow scientists to simulate treatments in a virtual environment before they are ever applied to the patient. This is not just a revolution in science, it is the natural evolution of human vitality. Precision is the new standard. This knowledge is a gift, a tool for every one of us to take control of our biological destiny and achieve our health target. You are the architect of your own future. This research provides the blueprint for a lifetime of energy and resilience. Step by step, cell by cell, we are defining a new era of human potential together. The data is clear. The era of the individual has arrived. Your vitality is the prize. From the macro to the molecular, we have finally cracked the code of life in motion. The 3D architecture of human vitality is no longer a mystery. It is our new frontier. Join us in the precision era, expanding human vitality together. Stay vital. Begin your transformation today. Precision Health starts now. Explore the future of vitality at thrivemed.com.